In this tutorial, I will explain how to set up and use conditional sections on the record page in SmartSuite. So let me open the record page first. And before we dive into the details of this feature, I want to clarify the term itself. What does conditional section even mean? Well, it means that from now on, you can apply filters to every section, and those filters will define if that section is visible or hidden. So here's how we do it. There are two ways to access the feature. First, you can go to the three dots menu of a particular section and click on the Set Visibility Conditions. The same result will be when you go through Page Settings and then you move to the Sections Visibility tab. So on this tab, we have all the sections listed in the same order that they are displayed on the record page itself. Now, let's say that I want the Opportunities section to be visible only when I have at least one contact. And then if I have no contacts, then the section should be hidden. So how do we do that? I will have to click on the Opportunities section, and I will get a filter control that many of you know, because this is exactly the same filter control that we use in the views and in many other places. You can add multiple filters combining and or conditions, and you can even add groups if you want to build a more complex um, condition tree. But in this case, I want to keep it very simple. So I will just say opportunities section should be visible only if contacts is not empty. I will hit save, and I will see this little orange icon here proving that conditions were applied to this section. Okay, so we may close down the panel here and let's test it. So now I have a contact, and so the section is visible, but as soon as I remove it, you can see that the opportunities went away. And let me put it back. I will add a value to the field, and the section got visible again. Now, important to remember that you don't need to save the record for these rules to apply. So they are happening live as you play with the values. And finally, if you want to get rid of the conditions that you have already applied, just click on the Edit Visibility. You can see that brings you immediately to the section that you were at. And we will just hit on this X button, save it. You see that the icon disappeared, which means that this section now is always visible and has no conditions applied against it. Okay, this concludes the overview of the feature, and thank you for watching.